Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Today I figured I'd do sort of a laid back commentary, and I know that you guys aren't used to seeing commentaries too often on this channel, but I figured, you know what? I'm trying to chill right now. I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I've been very busy with school with 5 classes this semester, but I wanted to get a video out there. And I recently picked up an Audio-Technica 2020 Plus USB microphone, and I'm really enjoying it. I think the sound quality is amazing, and I wanted to do sort of a demo for you right now. So everything you hear in this video is going to be recorded with this microphone, and you guys can sort of see for yourself how it sounds. Now, I'm not going to do anything to this recording in post. I think that it would be better if you guys just hear the raw audio at 50% gain, which is what it's currently set to. And I won't touch anything in Audacity, just so you guys can sort of get an idea of what to expect. And I haven't really had a chance to like play around with the settings in depth. Really all I've done, as I said before, is just turn it to 50% gain, and it is about, I don't know, 3 inches away from my mouth right now. And I also have a pop filter that I picked up off of Amazon. It was really cheap, and I'll leave all of this stuff in the description below just in case you guys are interested. But I highly recommend getting a pop filter with this mic or any other mic that you end up using. It's just typically a good idea to help with those plosive sounds that can be a little bit much on the ears if you were to just speak into it raw. So if you're watching this video, I'm going to go ahead and assume you're watching it because you may be considering picking up the Audio-Technica 2020 Plus, and you might want to know what I think about it. And I really do like this mic. I think in terms of USB microphones, this is probably one of the better ones you can get. And I have owned the Blue Yeti as well, and that is a phenomenal microphone as well. But I feel like the Audio-Technica 2020 Plus actually is a little bit better. I feel like this mic does a better job with the lows and the mids. Not highs are also pretty clear too. Like, it's just a really great microphone, especially I think if you have a deeper voice. It does a really good job of picking up on that, and it doesn't sound too tinny. It sounds very full and very crisp, and I'm really impressed with the audio, and I'd have no problem recommending this microphone to anybody who wants to get started on YouTube or who has been doing YouTube for a while and just wants to up their audio quality. Now, if you do end up purchasing this microphone, you're probably going to also want to purchase some sort of stand to keep it on. I will leave a link to a couple compatible stands in the description below, but the stand that this microphone comes with is pretty dinky, and it's not that it's not actually built well, like it's sturdy enough, but the problem is there's no height adjustment, so you basically just leave it on your desk and it's going to pick up a lot of the desk noise. Like if you bump your desk or if you're typing on a keyboard right next to the mic, it's going to pick that up. It's going to be very loud and kind of intrusive. So the better thing to do is just to pick up like a $20 or $30 stand from Amazon.com or .ca, and then just attach the mic to that. And again, I'll leave that in the description below so you guys can check out the stands for yourself. Once you pick up some sort of stand to screw it onto, you're pretty much good to go. The benefit with USB microphones is it really is just plug and play, and you won't really have to do a lot of setup. Really, the only thing you may want to do is just adjust the gain or your mic volume in Windows or Mac OS, and yeah, beyond that, you're good to go. And that's one of the nicest things about these USB microphones, just the convenience of it all. Now, if you're wondering if you should go XLR or USB, it's a really good question. Most people, especially the audiophiles, will tell you absolutely go XLR, and I myself have an XLR setup, and I do love it. It's amazing, and I would recommend it to some people. But the thing is, I don't think there's a blanket recommendation I could make for all people. There are some people that would say, yeah, no matter what, just buy an XLR mic. That way you can always upgrade it, and you can get solid preamps, and everything is going to be a lot more flexible. You can get, typically speaking, better sound from them. But the truth of the matter is, most people aren't audiophiles, and if you have a high-quality USB microphone such as this one, people won't care. Thousands, no, probably millions of YouTubers that have huge channels, very successful channels, and they're using USB microphones and nobody's complaining. Like, you know what I mean? I think if you do commentaries and you want a USB microphone, that's totally fine. Just pick up a high quality one like this one and play with the settings until you get it to sound right. You should be good. Now, again, I don't want to shit on XLR microphones because I do think they're amazing, but I don't think it hurts to consider all of your options. And for some people, a USB microphone is more than sufficient to either get started with YouTube or just up their game on YouTube. So that is going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully it gave you some insight and gave you guys an idea of what to expect in terms of audio quality from the Audio-Technica 2020. As I said before, it's a great mic and I highly recommend it. And if you like this video, be sure to leave a like. It helps my channel grow, helps me get seen by other people. If you dislike the video, leave a dislike. I don't get offended. Just leave a comment. Let me know what I can improve on. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video or if you dislike it. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Cheers.